Hello, and welcome to this guided little light meditation for healing and deep relaxation. Find a safe and comfortable position, either laying down or sitting up nice and straight on a chair with your feet on the floor. Once you're settled, close your eyes. Take a few deep cleansing breaths, really tuning into how your body feels. Not judging the sensations or experiences, simply noticing. Allowing your body to just be exactly how it is in this moment. Each in-breath creates space. Each out-breath brings a release. Whatever you're feeling is okay. There is no right or wrong. It simply is. Release thoughts that come in the same way, without judgment. Release expectations of what you should be feeling. Release. Let go of everything. There's no need for you to do anything at all. Just breathe and be. Visualize a bubble of radiant, healing energy floating above you. Bring your awareness to your toes and picture the bubble descending and surrounding your toes. Feel the warm, healing energy from the bubble penetrating each of your toes. Picture and feel the warm energy melting away any tension and discomfort from your toes, allowing them to completely rest and restore. Feel each toe release into deep relaxation. Bringing your awareness to your feet, picture the bubble growing to include your feet. Feel the warm, healing energy flowing into every bone, joint, and muscle in your feet. Feel the warm energy melting away any tiredness, discomfort, or tension. Allowing your feet to rest and completely restore. Feel your feet release into deep relaxation. Bringing your awareness to your ankles. Picture the bubble growing to include your ankles. Picture and feel the warm, healing energy moving deep into your ankles, melting away any discomfort or tension. Allowing your ankles to fully rest and restore. Feel your ankles release into deep relaxation. Bringing your awareness to your calves and lower legs. Picture the bubble growing to include your lower legs. Feel the warm, healing energy penetrating and massaging every muscle in your calves, spreading to every part of your lower legs. Feel the warm energy melting away any discomfort, pain, or tension. Allow your calves and lower legs to fully rest and restore. Feel your lower legs release into deep relaxation. Bringing your awareness to your upper legs and thighs. Visualize the healing bubble growing to include your upper legs. Feel the warmth penetrating deep into the muscles, bones, and tissues of your upper legs and thighs. Feel the warmth and powerful energy melting away any discomfort and tension. Allowing your upper legs to rest and restore. Feeling your upper legs release into deep relaxation. Bringing your awareness to your hips. Visualize the therapeutic healing bubble growing to include your hips. Feel the warmth working its way deep into your hips. Picture and feel the warmth and energy melting away any discomfort and tension. Allow your hips to rest and restore. Feel your hips release into deep relaxation. Bringing your awareness to your lower body. Simply notice how your lower body feels as you take a deep, cleansing breath. Bring your awareness to your stomach and lower back. Picture the healing bubble growing to include your stomach and lower back. Feel the warm, healing energy penetrating this area. Visualize that warm energy working its way through your entire stomach and lower back, melting any tension and discomfort completely away. Allowing your stomach and lower back to rest and restore, releasing into deep relaxation. Bring your awareness to your chest and upper back. Picture that bubble growing to include your chest and upper back. Picture and feel the warm, healing energy traveling deep into your chest and upper back, melting away any discomfort or tension. Allowing your chest and upper back to fully rest and restore. Feel your chest and upper back release into deep relaxation. Bringing your awareness to your shoulders. Picture that healing bubble growing to include your shoulders. Feel the warm, healing energy penetrating and massaging every muscle and fiber in your shoulders, melting away any discomfort or tension. Allow your shoulders to fully rest and restore. Feel your shoulders release into deep relaxation. Bringing your awareness to your arms. Picture the bubble growing to include your arms. Feel the warm, healing energy making its way up and down your arms. Feel the warmth melting away any discomfort and tension. Allow your arms to rest and restore. Feel your arms release into deep relaxation. Now bringing your awareness to your hands. Picture the bubble growing to include your hands. Feel the warm, healing energy flowing into every bone and muscle in your hands. Feel it melting away any discomfort or tension. Allow your hands to rest and completely restore. Feel your hands release into deep relaxation. Bringing your awareness to your fingers, visualize the bubble of healing energy growing to include your fingers. Feel the warm, healing energy from the bubble penetrating your fingers. Visualize it melting away any tension and discomfort from each of your fingers, allowing them to completely rest and restore. Feel each finger release into deep relaxation. Bringing your awareness up to your throat. Visualize the healing bubble growing to include your throat. Feel the warmth penetrating this area. The warm, powerful energy melting away any discomfort and tension. Allow your throat to rest and restore. Feel your throat release into deep relaxation. Bringing your awareness to your head. Visualize the therapeutic healing bubble growing to include your head. Feel the warmth working its way deep into your face, your jaw, your ears, eyes, all the way to the crown of your head. Picture and feel the warmth and energy melting away any discomfort and tension. Allow your head to rest and restore. Feel your head release into deep relaxation. Bringing your awareness to your entire body in this powerful healing bubble of energy. Feel the warm energy melting away any remaining aches, discomfort, or tension. Continue this visualization on your own for a few more breaths, allowing your body to fully rest and restore. Feel your entire body release into deep relaxation. You may choose to stay in this state of deep relaxation and slip off to a restful sleep, or take a deep, revitalizing breath, bringing awareness back to your physical body, tuning into how your body feels, not judging the sensations or experiences, simply noticing. Wiggle your fingers and your toes, and when you're ready, gently open your eyes. The mystic Osho said, "Rest, relax, and be in a let go. Let go is the secret to life. Let go is the greatest secret." May you go into the rest of your day feeling well rested and restored, and may your little light always shine bright. Namaste.